everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make flyers on Canva apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Canva apps, you can swipe until you can see a flyers menu. This is flyers menu. You can click on all, this one, click on it. And after this, in here you can see many flyers template on Canva apps. You can choose the flyers that you wanna to use. I wanna try to use this one, so you just click on it. And in here you can set or you can change the text. If you wanna change the text, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the text, this one. And after this, if you wanna change, just write the text that you wanted to change. Maybe boys, like this. And after this, you can click on this one for the change the let's one like this. You can change to maybe a party like this. And after this, if you wanna change this one, so like just click on the text like that. And if you wanna save the flyers, you can click on this one and then click on download. And after this, you can click on download this one and finish. So that's how to add flyers on Canva apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.